entry of Doris Leacy from Arizona, current leader in the single pony class. Doris scored a 48.93 in dressage and just 72 penalty points on the marathon yesterday.
So when you come out of the line, we'd ask you to line up facing the judges' stand. That gives our photographers the best shot from the angle up the line. So for the single pony class, second place, Bob Koopman coming forward now. Bob Koopman here from Massachusetts, also resides and trains here in Florida in the winter. Finishing on a score of 135.96. Go ahead.
Jeff, I think he has best intermediate marathon as well.
Yes.
Nope.
Yeah.
Bob Koopman also the winner of the best intermediate marathon with 68.02 penalty points. I don't know what it is about you, Bob, but Ellen just...
No ribbon? Yes,
Bob with the best performance in the marathon for the intermediate division with just 68.02 penalty points. And the winner of the class is Doris Leacy from Oro Valley, Arizona, on a score of 121.84. Doris with Katie Did Baroness Taking top honors here, the Crystal Trophy and the Blue Ribbon. And the winner's photo from Pics of You.